Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the resources feature to create a folder that your PLC can use or your Colab team can use. So I'm going to go ahead and start in resources, and I'm going to add a folder and create one for, let's just say, my Colab class. And I want this to be able to, let me put chem, Colab. And I'm going to create this folder so that we can have a sharing space. So if he creates something or I create something, then he'll have it ready. And he can copy to his course, or I can copy it to my courses. So I'm going to click on it again. Once you create, you have to click on it again. And then you're going to go to share. And I'm going to find my Colab teacher and press search. Don't press enter because it'll just, it won't do anything at all. Just go to the name. He doesn't know I'm doing this yet, but here we are. And so with this, he's going to be able to put things in there. But if it is a view only, he has to do edit. So I have to put edit for him. So we're going to go ahead and save those changes. He can put things in this folder, and he can copy them to his own classes. Or if he has any ideas, you know, he can use them however he wants to. He has all those rights. So we're going to add resources. So let's just say this is the collaborative space. He's going to add an assignment. I'm pretty sure you cannot work on one assignment simultaneously. It won't allow you to do that. It's one person has to be working on it at a time. So let's just put, let's see, I don't know, the lesson for the first day of school. So let's say, I don't know, demo lesson for 824, and no rubric. This really isn't a big deal. Just submit. Okay. And so when you click on that, you'll have a title, and then you'll be able to edit the actual lesson. You'll put the lesson content here. So then content goes here. Okay. So you just create it. You'll add the resource. You'll add a lesson. Maybe he said, I'm going to make a discussion for us for tomorrow. And I said, okay, cool. Then he's going to go to add discussion. And then, so discussion for the same day. And then submit. Okay. But of course, you know, you can go back. I'm just, for the sakes of just naming them and showing you, I'm going to do that. But you can always go back and edit and actually type out the question and all that stuff. Once he imports, once he makes a copy to his course, he can actually do more information. He can add more information. So he'll be able to actually put the prompt and the grading and the scheduling and all that. He'll just add it and take it over there to his own courses. So I realized that there's a bunch of files here. So I need to make sure that there's a folder, because that happens. Sometimes we put it in resources and we have to organize them. So I'm just going to put week of 824. I'm going to give it a color and then create. So just to organize, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to move. Let's see if this one will work. Okay, so I'll have to do each one individually. So I'm going to move it to this folder. So week of the 24th, move. Week of the 24th, move. And now they're organized here. So then I would tell him, okay, I am ready. I am ready to assign these to the courses. And so I'm going to add to my course. And then I'm going to add to any one of these, one or all. We haven't linked these courses yet, so my basic chemistry and this class are not linked yet. But I mean, if they are, if you know, all you have to do is just select the ones that you want to do. I can even add to my demo because I just want to try it out. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to show you how to add something to resources from a course. So go to a course, and let's just say I created something that I want to share with him. It's one lesson, and it's this one. Let's just say I said, you know what, I have an idea. Tell me what you think. I dropped it in the resources today. So this is how I'm going to do that. You have these options: save to resources. or in resources. And I'm going to put it in Chem Colab. And then I'm going to put it in week of 824. Originally, we had 2 in resources, so we're going to go back to resources. So I took it from my course and I sent it to my resources, and I can do this entire folder if I wanted to. I can do this, I can save to resources, and I can send all of it to my resources. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my folder, and it's the Chem Colab, and let's see, 3 should be in there now. There were 2, now let's see if 3 of them are. Okay, so now the 3 of them are here. And so then, and then they can be edited and so on. You can add content and add media. You can add a file, and I'll just show you that really quick. But the point of this lesson is to show you how you can organize the folders in resources and copy and send to other courses. So for example, I would do this and I would embed. Okay, I'm going to show you again. I'm going to delete that here, and then I'm going to go to image or media. And then I'm going to go to my drive. It should be linked. If it doesn't, it's going to ask you to, I think it says link, but it'll, or ask you for access or something. So you're going to do this. You're going to select import. How do you want to import as a link, a private link, or embed? And then what's cool about this is that you can readjust it. You can readjust the size. I know this is kind of small, but remember you're in resources. So if you want, you can just get the idea here and then submit it. And then I would tell my Colab teacher, okay, it's time. Go ahead and make a copy of it. And so you're going to add to the course. And then there you go. You're going to go there and you're going to go to add.